Hi, welcome from MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle, and today I want to take you on a quick first-person walkthrough on the 2020 Harris 230 Cruiser. 23-foot boat. There's a helm here. We ordered this with a 5-inch Simrad Fusion stereo. Simrad will have your GPS functions, so a chart plotter. It'll also have your fish finder, depth finder features as well. Gauge cluster up here, so you've got analog gauges. They are GPS controlled, so they'll be accurate. We've got Mercury's active trim set up on this boat as well. So you will have the Mercury's active trim feature, which handles your trim functions on your motor, so you don't have to worry about that. Nice high back helm seat here. Here in the back, got a flip-flop lounge seat, so it's an SL setup. The battery compartment is right there in the corner. So this lounge seat will flip forward and backward, so you can sit back here. The way the fence is set up on the outside, you're actually safe to sit in the back seat here and watch people if you're towing them with that ski tow bar there. You've got a telescopic stainless ladder and a Mercury 150 4-stroke motor on the back there. Also, up here at the front, we've got dual chaise lounge couches here in the front on one each side with recessed cup holders, lighted. There also is a large ski locker in the floor. So you've got in-floor storage for your skis and other wet items like that. There's your other lounge. So there you have it. That's a quick first-person walkthrough on a 2020 Harris 230 Cruiser. Come by and see us here at MarineMax, or you can always view us at MarineMax.com.